guys, for today's vlog, samahan niyo kami sa isang relaxing quick escape here at Diwata Nature Resort in San Pablo, Laguna. Day tour lang kami today hanggang 5 p.m. but honestly, sulit na sulit pa rin ang experience. Quick disclaimer lang guys, this is actually a late upload. We visited back in August 2025 so I believe marami ng updates after our visit. Mukhang marami na rin silang nadagdag especially for overnight accommodations and other offerings. So if gusto nyo ng latest updates, mas okay also if you visit their Facebook page. Pagpasok pa lang namin, super nagustuhan na namin yung nature vibes ng place. Ang daming trees, lush gardens, and sobrang peaceful ng paligid. Ayan, so Aman Sinaya Pools and Bars. So ito yung sa down. And then, kung gusto nyo sa taas, ayan, an additional pay yan guys. Ito pala yung kanilang shower. So 1, 2, 3, and then ito yung toilet. So may dalawang toilet and then may CR din dun sa other side. Very nice weather guys.
This is the Tadhana Bar, guys.
Ayan, so actually yung restaurant nila, diba? Ito naman yung mga
Cottage nila.
free cottage kapag nag-avail ka ng access pass nila sa kanilang mga pool. Fish pang din. Aside from their Japanese restaurant, meron din silang Filipino restaurant, and this is Hapag Diwata. The general operating hours are Friday to Sunday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Monday to Thursday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Please note that operating hours and meal schedules, such as their weekend buffets or holiday feasts, may vary. It is highly recommended to contact them directly for exact availability before planning your visit. One thing na mapapansin nyo agad dito is yung greenery, ang daming plants and trees around the resort, kaya sobrang refreshing tingnan. Talagang nature-inspired yung vibe niya. And another thing na nagustuhan ko is ang daming koi fish. Ang relaxing lang nilang panoorin habang nagsuswim sa ponds. Simple detail, pero malaking dagdag sa peaceful atmosphere ng place.
Guys, pag umakit kayo, dito sa may tabi ng Diwata, tayo itong cafe. Yung dito. This is the view, guys.
Ayan guys, so ito, nasa Garden Cafe tayo. Kapag nag-order kayo doon sa Garden Cafe, so pwede kayo dito mag-sit-in, tumambay, tapos napapaligiran kayo kasi parang ano to, fish pond. Sobrang dami. And then sa likod natin, ando naman yung kanilang Japanese restaurant. Hi, Kuya! Coffee. Gusto mo ba ng coffee? Actually, medyo pricey yung kanilang mga drinks. But after you mag-order, pwede kayong mag-stay here. May playground din sila. By the way guys, hindi ko kayo matutour sa rooms and villas nila kasi hindi kami nag-overnight stay. Day tour lang talaga kami today, so mostly common areas, gardens, pools, and other accessible areas yung maipapakita ko. Ito naman guys, yung mini library ng Diwata Nature Resort. So isa tong cozy space kung saan pwede kang mag-relax, mag-stay, at magbasa ng books habang napapalibutan ng nature. Tahimik, presko, at perfect para sa slow mornings o peaceful afternoons. Dito, pwede kang mag-unwind, magkape, at mawala muna sa ingay ng araw-araw habang nag-enjoy sa magandang stories at calming vibes ng resort. Today, inavail namin yung unlimited pass nila, which includes access sa pool and lagoon area, kaya excited na kami agad sulitin ang buong araw. Mamaya, teka lang. Ito yung locker, 150, unlimited. This is the locker area, so 150 pesos, and then unlimited na siya. Guys, ang kinuha namin is yung unlimited access, so 500 pesos.
And yan, ikakabit na namin yung wristband namin. Ayan guys, so nandito tayo sa second floor. Nandito kasi actually, nandito tayo sa second floor tapos meron siyang parang penthouse. And nandito rin yung infinity pool. And guys, look at the view. Tignan nyo naman yung mountain. I'm not really sure kung anong mountain siya. Pero sobrang init. Ang ganda ng weather. Actually guys, iniintay lang namin mag-open yung Japanese restaurant ng 11 o'clock. So 10:55 na. Bago tayo mag-swimming para naman meron tayong energy later. In here, pwede rin kayong mag-dart. And of course, meron din sila ditong billiard. And then, pwede kayo mag-play.
Pasensya na kung medyo maingay sa background guys kasi may nagwe-welding doon sa kabila.
So, yung mga bilang nila here. It's for overnight.
As you can see guys, 'di ba, ang dami nilang cottages.
Guys, ito pala yung kanilang fish pond. Alam ko pwede ka dito, fish feeding. So, sa other side ay yung Japanese restaurant. Okay. So, from our locker, may walkway dito. Going sa other side. Which is, ito guys. Ayan, so right now guys, nandito tayo sa Izanami Cuisine by Diwata Nature Resort. So this is a Japanese restaurant. So magte-take na tayo ng ating lunch bago tayo
Prepare for swimming.
guys. Order muna tayo. So bawal pa lang pumasok kapag nakapang swimming ka. Dapat dry. Ayan. So let's order na. Guys, so mag-appetizer muna tayo while waiting for our food. So we have here Ebi Tempura. Here's our okonomiyaki. Tori teriyaki. Ayan. Let's eat.
Make a wish then go.
Wow. Thank you po.
And guys, rainy season kami pumunta dito. At first medyo worried kami kasi baka umulan ng malakas at masira yung plants namin. Pero honestly, mas naging relaxing pa siya. And fresh ng hangin, malamig yung weather, at dagdag cozy vibes talaga siya sa experience.
So this is yung highest floor nila dito. Ito yung Amansinaya. So ito yung kanilang inn infinity pool. Ayan.
Isa talaga sa highlights ng stay namin sa Diwata Nature Resort, itong infinity pool nila. Ang ganda ng view, super relaxing, at ang sarap lang mag-unwind habang napapalibutan ng nature. Plus, meron pa silang glass pool na mas nagpa-exciting sa experience namin. Super na-enjoy naming mag-swim, mag-take ng picture, at mag-relax habang ini-enjoy yung magandang scenery. Isa talaga to sa mga moments na mapapasabi ka ng sulit ang pag-visit. Talaga nag-enjoy kami and definitely one of the favorite parts of the trip. As you can see guys, ayan, ang dilim na po ng kalangitan at nagbabadya na ang ulan.
Jacuzzi na ready to use na guys. Then, ito yung bathroom. Ayan guys, so kanina lang sobrang init. Nung nagla-lunch kami, hanggang sa nag-swimming ng 1 hour. After 1 hour, ayan, ganito na ang inabot namin. Ayan guys, pahinga muna tayo. Kasi yan, lakas ng ulan. Ayan. Guys, so mayroon din silang lagoon dito. Kasama na rin yan sa ating
All access pass.
tayo dito. Parang malalim po. Ayan natin. Si Diwata. Ayun si Diwata, oh. Guys, ito yung lagoon. Sobrang haba niya. Ayan, nag-alisa na yung mga tao. Kaya dito naman kami nagpunta.
Going to experience the slide, guys.
Oh my God, ang lamig guys kasi naulan ngayon. And actually medyo tumigil na yung ulan.
And dahil medyo malamig yung weather dahil rainy season, mas naging relaxing siya. Kahit hindi perfect sunny weather, sobrang nag-enjoy pa rin kami. Minsan, hindi mo rin kailangan ng perfect weather para magkaroon ng magandang experience.
Okay guys, ito yung kanilang Kalinaw Spa and Wellness. Ayan, so ito yung Wellness and Spa. Wow. Oh. Nakakatawa, oh. Diba? Nakaka-relax. Guys. Oh, may sirena. May sirena pa. Ayun, oh. Ayun, mali ka dito. Ito yung kanilang sauna. Ito yung kanilang steam. Ito yung kanilang shower.
Then, later in the afternoon before heading home, nag-light snack na lang kami sa cottage habang nagpapahinga. Overall, sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa stay namin dito kahit day tour lang. If naghahanap kayo ng relaxing place where you can enjoy nature, swim, eat good food, and just slow down for a while, Diwata Nature Resort is worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching guys and see you on our next adventure.